How to transfer gallery photos to Google Photos directly. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Gallery, then select the album and hold on to the pictures you want to upload. Select all the pictures and press on Share at the bottom left corner of your screen, which will open these options. And here, click on Upload to Photos. After that, select your Google account and then press on Upload at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Upload, it will be uploaded to your photos. You can simply open your Google Photos and the photos will be uploaded in here. This is how to transfer gallery photos to Google Photos directly. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.